Hi everyone. This is pretty embarrassing, but we had mold in one of our toilets that we could not get rid of over a couple of months with regular toilet bowl cleaner. I did some research and found a 1-2 punch to finally get rid of the toilet mold. First, I empty the water from the bowl by pouring a bucket of water into the bowl. The first punch of the 1-2 punch combo was to spray the mold directly with regular white vinegar. Let the vinegar sit for 15 minutes before scrubbing the bowl. The vinegar effectively kills the mold, but does not totally remove the mold. The second punch in the 1-2 punch combo is a cup of baking soda. Pour a cup of baking soda into the toilet bowl water, mix into the water, and then let sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, scrub the bowl to remove all traces of the mold. Again, the first punch was spraying directly with white vinegar to kill the mold. The second punch was soaking the bowl with baking soda for 30 minutes to completely remove the mold. The mold used to reappear in 3 to 4 days, but this time there was no traces of mold 1 week later with no additional cleaning.